Najua weekend imewabamba deadly, lakini on my side kidogo I'll extend. Reason being it's my birthday week, so leo nimeamua nitokee kidogo tu since the weekend has been busy. So ni after, and today I have decided to go back in the mountain region, but of course a different location, just to show you how the Kenyan's highlands are beautiful. With this nature trail and visit to this region, this will help me strategize to begin 2025. Kidogo, boom! I am accompanied by friends who have become part of our family. Tutajua as we continue. So, wacha tuone what is ready for us today. But kama kei kama dawa, like, subscribe, comment, and of course, share this video. Okay. Of course, that's where we be. Again, nilikuwa nimewaambia we'll be introducing someone ambaye a guest ambaye tutakuwa tunatembea naye leo. Of course, mshamuona and maybe there are 2 or 3 people ambao wamefanya the right guesses. So tumefika the location ya leo. Bado tuko in the mountain regions. And of course,
yo,
CEO Bruce.
Yo, what's up? What's good? What's bad? How you doing? How you what's popping?
Hey, what's popping?
What's going on?
Hey.
Yeah.
Mambo ni live. Naona kamzigo ndiko wako kale ulituachia.
Naona unasukuma, unapiga mboka.
Mpaka ukaamua leo utatembea na sisi, utakuwa na sisi.
Nitakuwa na nyinyi unyo kwa unyo, sako kwa bako, moja kwa moja.
Ako akataki ati tukue na kamera pipo 5. Kanataka mtu mmoja.
Ukishika tu hivi unapiga show.
Hi
guys, how are you doing? Make sure that you consider subscribing, liking, commenting and sharing. Yes, there is more goodies. There are
more goodies, there are more substance coming. And of course, in your channel naambiaga, it's the channel ambao watakuwa napata the latest entertaining news. Watakuwa napata their best artist, of course. Ukiwa umeanza
ndio hiyo.
And of course, thank you kwa kuwa na sisi leo.
Manze.
Leo
today we are exploring the nature.
Of course, yes.
Nilisikia hapa hivi kuna mafans wako wanapenda nature sana.
So
let's explore. Jua ndio hiyo.
Wale watu wa sunset, masaa ndio hiyo.
Here comes the sun. Abu nishikie easy. Yes, we are in the bush. Tuko kwenye bush. Watu hiyo walikuwa wanakimbia, wameenda wapi?
Wamebaki huko.
Nashangaa watu wanakuja huku. Yes. So we are starting from here. This is nature. Yes. You can listen to the noise of the water. Water flowing. Oh yeah. Yes.
Wale wanasema wakati ni wako maji uko mahali wanatoa maji ya original.
I don't know whether you guys can see. I want to show you something.
Nasema huko watu wanaogea.
Kwani ujipendi? Unajua wapi unasimama?
Wanaomba watu mpaka wanaoga. Wanaingia kama shao.
Hapo kislide kidogo. So guys, I want to show you something. Yes, this is me. Yes. Yes, this is me. I want to show you something. Right. Here we are. That's your boy D-boy.
Woza.
How are you doing?
Mimi amizi.
Uko fiti?
Hapa ni kujibamba sana. Ndio nilikuwa nakwambia.
Kuna watu wanacheza hapa.
Watu wa coast wale wanakuwa pale Indian Ocean. Tunaenda kuwa visit lakini hakujagi kutuvisit.
Ajuagi mahali maji inatoka.
Ajui mahali maji inatoka.
So now here I want to show you magic. Guys, you're about to experience a magic. Just look at the volume of water we are stepping on and where it is going. It's a bit scary.
Now this is the exciting part of it.
To all the nature lovers in 3, 2, 1. Hey! Mambo. Sasa. Kofiti.
Hii ni vifuji. Yeah. Hello.
Wow. Merusha na huyu. Ndio merusha.
Vijana wa mtaa, vijana wa area.
Ofiti. Safi. So guys, we'll be going to where you can see those people. We are going up to that point to show you the view from this other end.
And approximately inaweza kuwa kitu kama kila 100 meters. Alituko kwenda chini.
Guys, from here to where the water is dropping is about 100 meters.
And of course, mnaangalia in as much as mnaona the flow of the water, pia mnaona the nature, the greens and the trees.
Yeah.
Huko ndiko unasikiaga the motherland of nature. The motherland of nature.
That's why I was recording. Yes. That's why I was recording.
Kijana anaogopa heights.
Yeah, hapana. Ngori. That's just a hint of where we will be today. So make sure that you walk with us as we show you around here. Yeah, this is a hidden gem. Yeah, hidden gem, good for picnic, good for adventure, good for dates. Yes, you know, just walk with us as we show you around here.
And of course, as we continue showing you around, remember to like, subscribe, and of course, comment and share this video.
Yes, in the middle of nowhere.
In the middle of nowhere. Sasa wadau, hapa ndipo show iko. Look at the distance this water is flowing from. Just look at it. Hello, my family, and of course remember this is currently kwanza January. These are the places ambazo unafaa kuleta your date. Unajua,
it's a very amazing place.
A very amazing place.
Very hidden gem, a small waterfall here.
Hey.
You can improvise it. You can use it like a shower. You come, you stop and take shower. Yeah, it's a cold shower.
And of course it's a cold shower.
And also you have the biggest fall.
Pia hapo tunaenda. Kiaka breeze. The fun of this nature trip.
And so you can see.
Kijana
I'm wet. I'm feeling wet.
And you can see the background ni yenyewe utamu, ninakwambia the nature of this place. The nature of this place.
Just show them the view from that side where you can see both falls.
The view of the both falls. Kuna kale kadogo, kuna hiyo kubwa. And of course nimwambia now that it is January. Usiogope ati kupeleka watu wako ama familia yako kwa
Leave alone January.
Yeah?
Next month is February. You are wondering where to take your loved one for a date, for a picnic, for the Valentine's.
Exactly.
You see, the whole of February is a month of love and a lot of love.
And of course.
Yes. So these are hidden gems.
These are some of the places
free of charge.
You're going, and of course free of charge, by the way.
Yeah, you only need to know us. And you get in touch with us.
And of course unajua my social handles ninaambiaga kama kawaida DBWOY, yani D-Boy Production pale Facebook, D-Boy Production Instagram, TikTok D_BWOY. Na ukienda kwa handles za CEO Bruce kama kawaida mnajua CEO Bruce from Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and of course ukitaka pale namba yake ingia tu inbox hizo social media handles mtapata na huko. My WhatsApp number 0115 145 233. All right. Acha tuendelee kuonyesha this place, the highlands of Kenya. Mnasema ati mnajua tu sijui wapi. Anga Masai Mara. Look at this. Umekuja huku wewe? Wewe umekuja huku? Umekuja huku wewe? Niaje? Oh. Oh my God. Pia huyo anajifanya hataki kuonekana. Muoneni huyo. Oneni huyo. We've had a discussion with friends about why water appears white from a waterfall. Now this is the reason. The water appears white while going over a waterfall because the water is moving at a high speed and the trapped air in the water creates bubbles. The bubbles are what makes the waterfall look white. Nature plants such as napier grass, flowers, grass are vital for wetland and river health. With this, water sources remain clean. Plants provide shelter, food, and shade for a range of animals such as the fish.
Hello. Mambo ni live, mambo ni live. Look at the nature, my guy. You guy, my guy. Niko ndani ya maji hapa. Hello. Muoga wa height. Look at the height. We told you, look at the height. Look at the distance between this place. Oh, guy. Unaona hiyo kitaka kuingia mahali maji na kufika. Wale aji Bruce ako 5.5 feet. Na unaona mahali maji na inamfikia. So utamu wa trip. Nani huku kwa ukuta? Nani huku kwa ukuta zaidi?
Mosses and black substances along the riverbanks need water to survive, and there are a couple of reasons for this. They are non-vascular plants, which means they don't have a network of vessels to move water and food around the plants.
Dog of Mudford, big win. Hey.
Pale huko kuna vibe.
Leo kijana yenu, tunawaambiaje vibe inakaaje huko?
Pale kuna vibe. Na una shower tu yani.
Utamu. Usiwaambie sasa utamu ya nature ni gani?
Utamu ya nature ni kupiga shower kwa place kama hivi. Utamu ya nature ni
And of course guys, I'm going to remind you there's something I'm about to nawapangia. The same county 020. The same county 020 tutakuwa na there's an event ambayo inapangwa. Inaitwa Park and Chill. Tutakuwa tunawapatia updates later in the week, and of course be ready for a big event. So pale remember the information iko hapo, as you can see the poster. Mambo itakuja mkipatiwa all the details.
For those who took geography, you understand how water gets out of the rock and which rocks gives us water. Kwa sisi tulifanya history. See this magic, water coming out of the rocks. But the best part of it is this water is clean, but with a definite healthy salty taste from afar. Nature is fine. With the whole mountain experience, I want to give you a challenge. Where are you from? Where are you watching us from? And tell us which physical feature is there. Kuje, Tujibambe, tuonyeshe the whole world what is there. Contact us on 0115 145 233, 0115 145 233. And of course, on my Facebook accounts, Facebook D-Boy Production, Instagram D-Boy Production, TikTok D_BWOY1. Until next time, adios.
At the fossils.